You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with lab number 29, which is configuring receive connectors. So make sure that you're on your NITA EXEH01, and on EXEH01, just go to your local ECP here. Now I already have my ECP running, so it is a different case for me, but you can go to your Exchange Admin Center and log in. Once you're here, click on Mail Flow, click on Receive Connectors, and click on New. Now the name has to be nita.local, or in this case, let's say, because it will be for a different one, because nita.local is already our domain name. We are going to use something like, let's say, netsoftakademy.com. I select front end transport and I select internal. So this is for intranet mail, and click on next. Now I'll quickly remove this entire range of IP addresses and click on add again, click on add, and I add 172.16.10.40 here. Click on save. Now there's nothing at 172.16.10.40 at the moment, but it is there. So I'm going to click on finish. And once it is here, I'm going to click on edit again. So you can see the netsoftakademy.com is here. I click on edit, click on security, and ensure that anonymous users is checked, and click on save. And that concludes our lab on configuring receive connectors in Exchange Server 2019. Now, I hope you guys understood that we are just configuring a receive connector from a third-party domain, a different domain, so that the email comes in and you know where it is you are receiving it from, as long as you know the right IP address. So this is going to be useful because we are going to be building on top of this. So keep that in mind, and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.